Some of the obstacles that I faced before attending Trident Technical College, I was molested as a young girl and ostracized by family members, and no direction, no guidance, no support. When I arrived in Moncks Corner, I dealt with suicidal thoughts, even attempts. My children had no idea. Most of the times the things that I was dealing with, they would see me cry, but they had no idea what was really going on the inside of me. They knew that I was molested, but they never really knew the depth of the events that occurred. So I was really busy pretending to be this really strong woman, this really strong person who had it all together, but really I was this little girl who was looking to please the people around me, because if they were happy, then I was happy. But I would go home and I wasn't happy. So I wore a mask. People would see the smile on the outside, but they had no idea what was going on in me. I enrolled at Trident Tech and ended up loving it. Found instructors who were really supportive and nurturing. Weird, because I was in my 40s, and because I didn't have that foundation from my family, my instructors really kind of drew me in, the fact that they cared so much. So I started my journey. I started in the Culinary program and eventually ended in the Baking and Pastry program. So that's when my journey started. To me, graduation is everything. It allows me to know that I'm not that person that people said I was. I'm good enough, and I can do anything that I put my mind to, and I'm only limited by the limitations that I allow in my mind, because I've learned that that's where the biggest battle is. And if you can overcome that fear, if you can overcome those voices that tells you that you'll never be good enough, if you can overcome all the obstacles that life throws at you, no matter what form they come, you can do and be and go anywhere you desire. You're only limited by your own limitations. So graduation to me marks the beginning of the rest of my life.